Hello everyone! The Iron Dome is a mobile all-weather air defense system developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and Israel Aerospace Industries. It was designed to intercept and destroy short-range rockets and artillery shells fired from distances of 4 to 70 kilometers away, particularly those targeting populated areas. The Iron Dome is highly mobile, allowing for rapid deployment and redeployment to counter evolving threats. It employs advanced radar and computer systems to detect, track, and engage incoming rockets. While not 100% effective, the Iron Dome is designed to prioritize interception of rockets heading towards populated areas, making it a cost-effective solution compared to intercepting every incoming projectile. The system operates in a multi-step process. Powerful radars scan the sky for incoming projectiles. The system tracks the trajectory and predicts the impact point of each rocket. And based on the threat assessment, the system launches interceptor missiles to destroy the incoming rockets in midair. The Iron Dome has significantly enhanced Israel's defense capabilities, providing a crucial layer of protection against rocket attacks from various sources, primarily from Gaza. It has saved countless lives and minimized property damage. However, the system faces some criticisms. It is expensive to operate and maintain. It primarily focuses on short-range rockets, leaving longer-range threats unaddressed. And some argue that the system may encourage adversaries to fire more rockets, knowing that some will inevitably get through. Despite these criticisms, the Iron Dome remains a vital component of Israel's defense strategy and has garnered international attention for its technological sophistication and effectiveness in mitigating the threat of rocket attacks. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.